Hello guys, welcome to another market update video. Today I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin and a few altcoins too, actually. I'm going to cover a few of the altcoins I talked about in Twitter updates yesterday. And we're also going to talk about the King Bitcoin as always. We have a daily level up around here. We have rejected, but I'm just removing it just by the video case, just to keep the chart as clean as possible and remove as much noise as possible. So we had a pretty good move. TP got taken around 500 tonight. Got a message on TP hit when I wake up. That was nice. We have this intraday flip level, in my opinion. We must hold above to avoid a deeper pullback. If we can't hold above here, I'm expecting a flush towards the 4 level. And this could be a good long trade just based on filling this impulsive candle imbalance. And also pretty much discounted off the yesterday's move. That can be a good scalp trade. So if you long trade from there, my target would be just to move this flip level just slightly below. This will be a key level to remove all risk on the trade, likely before, but this is a target, previous day equilibrium and London high moonbag, in my opinion. That's a plan. But if you can stay above, we may hit the London high, and getting a London high sweep with a fake out into their single print would be an ideal scenario for me to look for an intraday scalp short today. After that, the main levels remain for our TPAC above, and we have previous day low into monthly. The little bit sketchy thing with the previous day monthly is that I think many people have the same idea because it's a good idea for sure, but if everyone is right, it usually ends up bad. So we may get a flush towards 58 if we don't see any great reaction from this level. But it's still a key interest zone for me. And after that, of course, previous day high with weekly and sell tail is of course interesting. But I'm never going to take any blind trades. Just because I have an interesting level here doesn't mean I need to go long. For sure not. But I'm going to take profit on potential short, and I'm potentially going to look for long if the triggers and signals tell me to do so. So that's pretty much what I'm watching on Bitcoin short term. I'm going to update on Twitter soon, and of course update what happened later tonight. Looking at the Twitter coins, you can look at Hype. Rejected a zone of interest above pretty brutally. We must reclaim this for a push towards $68.5, $70 in my opinion. For now, I'm expecting just chop, maybe a chop between here until we can break either the weekly below or get acceptance above the key zone above. On SEC, I'm watching this golden pocket around 355 for a bounce, maybe a long trade. I'm not really doing anything just here. On Trump, I'm interested in a short around $2.5, and I'm watching for a short spot bid around $1.3. That's the plan on Trump. ARB, I don't really have anything interesting. Venice coin, my interesting level would be to get down to the week level. $9.5 with anchor VWAP. Feeling this impulsive move. Could be a great long trade, but we're holding some local support up here, so we may get a move up, but I'm waiting for this if we get a chance. Brett rejected a zone of interest above brutally and pretty much down to lows again. If you get a fake up below with reclaim, maybe worth a bid short term, but you can't be greedy, and I can't advise it just because the high time frame trend and momentum sucks and everything points towards lower prices, but you never know, things change quick. Near, a little bit lower for a long, that's the plan. CAS should be hold here, if not low at this low is likely to get taken. And then I'm really interested in looking for a just spot bid around 0.09. That's the plan. That was today's short market update. I have huge bonuses on BloFin, Kcex and Weex in description. Check it out. And also if you want to join my private group, link in description. See you on a new video tomorrow. Bye.